Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change this laptop's device name. To do it, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System and scroll all the way down to the About section, open it, and here you'll find the name of your device right here. If you want to rename it, click rename this PC and then enter your new PC name without any space bars or special characters. Then press enter and your laptop will restart, and once your laptop restarts, the settings will be applied. So to restart your PC, click restart now, then wait until your device is restarted and the name will be changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.